Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing safety and compatibility. Confirm the phone's acceptable voltage range and max current from the label or manual. Next, pick a certified USB power delivery or quick charge charger that supports higher voltage outputs. This avoids risky internal modifications. Use a multimeter and PD-capable cable to verify output. Once done, wear insulated gloves and place work on a non-conductive surface so you can proceed confidently while minimizing electrical risk. You now negotiate voltage with appropriate hardware rather than altering the charger. Plug a USB PD charger into the cable or use a PD trigger board to request the target voltage, such as 9V or 12V. PD negotiation handles safe handshaking. If you have a bench power supply, set the voltage and current limit inside the device's rated range, then connect through the proper cable. Make sure to measure under load with your multimeter so you confirm stable voltage and current delivery. You finish by testing progressively. Start with a short charging session at the chosen voltage while monitoring device temperature and charging indicators. If the phone behaves normally, extend the test. If it heats, drops charging, or resets, immediately stop and revert to the certified charger. Make sure the cable supports the negotiated profile and that the PD handshake completes every time. One key troubleshooting tip: if voltage fluctuates, suspect a poor cable, failed PD negotiation, or current limiter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.